Well, the tents are already up at one Best Buy in Tampa. We showed you this group here securing their place in line at the store on Dale Mabry yesterday. And while there are fewer tents now for Black Friday, doorbusters experts say that you still need a strategy to save without running all over Tampa Bay. And consumer reporter Jackie Calloway is taking action with your Black Friday game plan.
Or you have a Merry Christmas.
Let me get you a gift.
In the battle for your dollars, big names like Amazon kicked off their Black Friday sales last week. Blogger Heather Brickell shares money-saving tricks and tips on her blog, My Sweet Savings.
Normally $20.
This Black Friday, she's directing shoppers to some stores that are often overlooked.
Even have like name brand like Chi,
including the beauty store Ulta.
These are 5 for $5 at Ulta.
And Heather advises using CVS and Walgreens to your list this week.
There are like 15 items that you can get for free.
CVS offering multiple products for free after you figure in the rewards bucks. And there's no charge for sign up.
Ibuprofen, candy, even vegetables.
And Walgreens advertising buy 2 toys, get 2 more for free.
The name brand toys like Play-Doh and Mr. Potato Head.
Don't leave home without a game plan, which includes a list, a budget, and store apps.
There's like 15 in there.
Walmart's interactive map shows you where every hot ticket item or doorbuster is located inside the store.
The 65-inch right here, see on map, and it shows you exactly where it's at.
Walmart placed that 65-inch TV next to the produce aisle. Target is blowing out prices on Apple items.
They're going to have the iPad mini 4 for $249.99.
We found some of the exact same deals at multiple stores. That mini iPad is the same price at Best Buy, and the Instapot is $59.99 at both Target and Walmart.
You don't have to wear yourself out.
Don't leave home without downloading a barcode scanner, which you can use to quickly scan the item and see who's selling it for less. And remember, many of the big box stores offer price matching. Just ask customer service so you don't have to drive to another place. I'm consumer reporter Jackie Calloway, taking action for you.